In 2009, Beluga project faced a supreme challenge. Transporting 67 reels, 7 manifolds and a VLS tower to a large oil field off the coast of Australia. 4 Beluga vessels, Beluga Indication, Intonation, Felicity and Fantastic, were nominated for this job. The cargo was discharged offshore directly onto installation vessels. In course of the whole project, Beluga shifted the materials between its 4 heavy lift vessels, enabling the assembly of the right package needed for the next step of the oil field development.
We are taking the cargo from another Beluga ship. We are shifting to Toisa, we are shifting to Jascon, and the suppliers, small tugboats coming, bring some small containers, small spare parts which will be collected on board of our vessel, and then when the supplier like Toisa or Jascon coming here, they collect the stuff in once and they go away for, weather permitting of course, 4 days, sometimes 7 days.
But also the shifting and backloading of offshore equipment was part of Beluga's scope of work. Having the modern Beluga vessels on standby for all kind of operation, 24/7, allowed a smooth and effective construction of the oil field. The ability to react flexibly and quickly to changes is fundamental for such a job. During the whole project, Beluga frequently liaised with the charterer the latest developments and adopted it to the daily operations.
The operation is tricky because we are standing out in the ocean. 2 ships are hipped up. The weather is quite windy, about 20 knots wind blowing, and there is, as you can see, quite close objects on the way of the lift, so we need to be careful maneuvering it through.
To load, shift and discharge these highly sensible cargo offshore requires special handling. Wind, swell and currents were monitored permanently by the Beluga captains in order to guarantee smooth and safe lifts at any time.
The manifold is transferred, nothing happened, everything okay as usual, and in about 20 minutes the Toisa produce will cast off and J25 moves in on another side to take his reel.
The project was carried out in a highly protected reservation area. The coral reefs of the shelf of Western Australia feature a great variety of species. The Beluga team implemented a special measurement plan for all operations and additionally enhanced Beluga's superior safety standards for offshore operations.
We have Jascon 25 alongside. We took some empty reels which will be taken back to Europe, to England, and we offloaded since up to now 4 full reels.
After 6 months of permanent cargo operation, this massive project was successfully accomplished. By supplying equipment and the necessary constructional components for the installation vessels, Beluga has proven once again its offshore competence, and the the capability to comply with the highest safety demands, as well as technical and professional requirements in the offshore oil and gas industry.